I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you.
Tom, you're the best brother a guy could ask for. I wish we could go back and grow up together all over again.
We were just kids when we fell
Erica,
in love.
I think I speak for all our siblings when I say we couldn't ask for more in a new sister.
I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss
Welcome to the family.
me slow.
Congratulations.
Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes,
To my love, Tom, on our wedding day, you have always been my soulmate, but I have such peace knowing I will get to spend the rest of my life with you as my husband.
in the dark, with you between my arms.
To my soon-to-be wife, Erica, you are the light that brings me each new and glorious morning. You are the love that burns deep in my heart. I loved you when we were young, I love you now, and I will love you always, until the end of my days.
Heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just
As a couple, these two seem unstoppable
carry children.
and never out of step with one another.
We are still kids, but we're
They share a harmony that cannot be manufactured.
against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my
During the last 5 years of your relationship, I have seen you support each other through difficult and wonderful times. This is what I consider to be the definition of a marriage that will last for eternity.
dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song.
Thank you for one of the best days in all of our lives.
Looking so beautiful,
We're excited for each and every day of your future as your own family grows.
darling, you look perfect tonight.
I would like to toast to the amazing love story that brought us here today, and to the wonderful future that lies before you both. Hang on to each other and never let go. Congratulations, Tom and Erica.
You between my arms, or barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know
I, Erica, take you, Tom, to be my husband, to love you, and to share all that is to come.
In wholeness and in brokenness, in sickness and in health, to give and to receive, to speak and to listen,
To inspire and to respond, and to be loyal to you with my whole being.
for as long as we both shall live.
Letter to the Corinthians, we find these words: live in peace, and the God of love and peace will be with you. Greet one another with a holy kiss.
I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
easy for us to ask each other, how did we get so lucky? And boy, are we lucky. When I look into Erica's eyes today, I see my best friend, I see my soulmate, and I realize I never stood a chance.
There's no stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now.